Hello guys! Good morning! Happy Sunday! Mayroon pa akong ipapakita sa inyo. Binigay sa akin. Ito! Tadan! Oh! Look at that guy! Oh! Yan! It's a chocolate! Diba masarap yata ini? Oh. Masarap! Made from original pala ito guys, isa Hong Kong. Ngayon, galing na lang siyang Quezon City. Open natin guys, exciting. Okay, ito na guys. I-open na natin ang chocolate. Isa ba ito? Masa ba itong Belgian truffles? Oh my goodness. Thank you sa sponsor sa chocolate. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, open. Like an explosion. Belgian truffle. Teka, may open. Ito na guys, ayan o. Yan, oh, ganda. Parang 40. Ito nakalagay Hong Kong. Kaya lang, Quezon City na siya. Yan guys. Chocolate. Okay. Oh. Wait lang. Oh. Ay, isang support. Wait lang guys. Kukuha tayo ng kutsilyo. Ilabas na muna natin ito. Ayan oh. Ito pala siya guys. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ah, ganito pala siya. Para siyang biscuit. Sana. Di pa naman natin alam kung anong ganito. Ayan. Open natin guys. Kukuha tayo na. Siyempre, kaya tayo ng scissor. Scissor. Open sesame. Okay. Oh. One by one. Okay. You see that guys? Oh. Plenty of chocolate guys. Oh. You see? Thank you sa nag-sponsor sa chocolate. Thank you. Open tayo ng isa. Sana masarap guys. Open. Wait lang, ma-open kita ng isa. Okay. Ano lang. Ito guys, oh. Chocolates. Okay, mag-i-open tayo. Matikman natin kung masarap ito. Okay. Oh. Looks so yummy. Wait. Okay, ito the chocolate. Open na. Oh. Look at that, guys. Let's eat, guys. Good for one bite. Really yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to support my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to support my YouTube channel and watch my video. Love you guys. God bless. Happy Sunday.